Tally license information. To configure and manage Tally license details, we should access F1 Help in Tally Prime. Select option as Settings. Further, select option as License. Under License, we can see options as Manage License and Manage Account. Manage License option to be selected in case of license-related configurations, such as surrender, activation, reactivation, etc. Manage Account option to be selected when multiple Tally license is activated on single email ID. Here, we will select Manage License Information, enter. Here, license information gets displayed. License information about current license activated in Tally Prime. It includes application status, serial number, license edition, rental validity, Tally virtual user limit, account ID, site ID, license administrator, Tally gateway server. On button panel, we can press F4, use license from network. This option should be selected to configure license from network system. Press F4. It will search license available in network. Here, we can see a single license displayed. Status as active. Enter to select. The license will be accessed from laptop. Tally Prime edit log will restart to apply the changes. Do you want to continue? Press yes to continue. Next, F5 Update. To update latest version of Tally Prime, we should click F5. Further, we can press Ctrl F5 to refresh license information. F6 Activate. To activate new license in Tally Prime, as license is already activated in Tally Prime, F6 Activate button is not highlighted. Next, F7 Reactivate. To reactivate existing license, here in this case, Tally Prime license is already active and reactivated. Hence, F7 Reactivate button is not highlighted. We can also access Ctrl F7 to surrender our existing Tally license. Click on Surrender to surrender license. You need administrator rights to perform this action. Do you want to restart Tally Prime edit log with administrator rights? If you wish to surrender your license, select option as Yes. To restart Tally Prime and surrender your license, Tally will restart. Under Surrender License option, we need to enter Tally.net ID. Next, Tally.net password. Enter your Tally.net password. In case of password is not available, we can click on Alt-R to reset password. Here, we will enter the password. You are about to surrender your license. Serial number from the Tally gateway server. Enter to continue as Yes. License surrendered successfully. Press any key to continue. Here we can see the license is surrendered. And it is asking to configure license as Continue in educational mode, Use license from network, Reactivate existing license and Activate new license. As we have already surrendered license, we can choose option as reactivate. To reactivate existing license, enter to select Tally.net ID and Tally.net password. Enter to accept. Congratulations, your license is successfully reactivated. Press enter to continue. Next, F9, renew rental. In case of renewal of rental license, we should press F9 to renew the rental license. Next, F10, buy a new license. If we wish to buy a new license of Tally, we can press F10, buy new license. Further, to change edition of license, we can press Ctrl F10 to change edition of existing Tally license. So this way, we can access F1 help, license information to configure and manage license details in Tally Prime.